Hi, my name is Kayla Graham, and I'm a current PGY4 resident at Atrium Health Carolinas Medical Center in Charlotte, North Carolina, and a member of the AUA Residents and Fellows Committee. Here's some quick advice on successful networking at the AUA meeting. If there are specific people that you're interested in meeting, plan ahead. Figure out which sessions they may be involved with and put those sessions on your schedule. If possible, lean on your faculty or mentors to make an introduction. Poster sessions and small groups are a great time to start a conversation. Introduce yourself, your level of training and institution, and why you're interested in talking to them, whether you are interested in their specialty, their research, or really resonated with something they discussed during a presentation. Most importantly, follow up. Ask for contact information after a conversation and send a follow-up email with a nice to meet you and something you discussed during your conversation. The follow-up is often what turns a quick conversation into a memorable interaction.